Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoTrend TV. This is your Viprajesh again. We just recently discussed the updates on the new 2021 Kia Seltos with the engines, transmissions and the features. Along with the Kia Seltos, the 2021 Kia Sonet also gets some significant updates in terms of features and variants with a slight price increase on most of its variants. The 2021 Kia Sonet, just like before, offers the very same engine and transmission options. However, the HT-K Plus variant no longer gets the option of an automatic transmission with both the turbo petrol engine or the turbo diesel engine. Instead, Kia India has added the turbo petrol automatic option and the turbo diesel automatic option on the HT-X variant, which is one variant above the HT-K Plus variant. However, all variants except for the entry-level HT-E and HT-K variants get some significant feature updates. The HT-K Plus variant onwards, the Kia Sonet gets keyless entry with all three engine options. However, a remote engine start-stop function is available only on the turbo petrol and diesel manual variants. Along with that, the 2021 Kia Sonet also gets an electric sunroof as standard across all IMT variants starting from the HT-K Plus. In terms of safety feature updates, the Kia Sonet HT-X variant itself now gets electronic stability control, hill start assist, stability management, brake assist and 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels as standard. Additionally, the automatic transmission variants also get paddle shifters, traction control modes including sand, mud and wet modes, and multiple drive modes including normal, economy and sport modes available on the HT-X and GT-X Plus variants. The HT-X Plus variant, however, does not get an automatic option. However, now the HT-X Plus and GT-X Plus top spec variants offer a new artificial intelligence based voice command system that can be triggered by the phrase "Hello Kia." These voice commands can be used for various functions including air conditioning, driver side power window, electric sunroof, radio, media and Bluetooth telephony. Apart from all these updates, the top spec HT-X Plus and GT-X Plus variants get the exact same long features list including ventilated seats, ambient mood lighting, leatherette upholstery, cruise control, an air purifier, a 7-speaker Bose audio system, a 10.25-inch large touchscreen infotainment system with Kia's UVO connected car technology, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Let's now sum up the price range of the new 2021 Kia Sonet. The 1.2-litre petrol manual range starts from Rs 6.79 lakh ex-showroom and goes up to Rs 8.65 lakh ex-showroom for the mid-spec HT-K Plus variant. The 1-litre turbo petrol IMT range, on the other hand, starts from Rs 9.79 lakh ex-showroom for the HT-K Plus variant and goes up to Rs 12.19 lakh ex-showroom for the top-spec GT-X Plus variant. A 7-speed DCT automatic gearbox is available only with the HT-X variant, which costs Rs 10.99 lakh ex-showroom, and the GT-X Plus variant, which costs Rs 12.99 lakh ex-showroom. The 1.5-litre diesel manual range, on the other hand, starts from Rs 8.35 lakh ex-showroom from the entry-level HT-E variant and goes up to Rs 12.45 lakh ex-showroom for the top-spec GT-X Plus variant. A 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission is available only with the HT-X variant, costing Rs 11.29 lakh ex-showroom, and the GT-X Plus variant costing Rs 13.25 lakh ex-showroom. So despite the slight price increase, the Kia Sonet offers much more features and more value than before, while also offering more standard features from the HT-X variant onwards. So do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about these variants, pricing and feature updates on the Kia Sonet. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.